Today I have an unboxing of the Zmodo Snap PT. This is their wireless pan and tilt camera. So this is the box it comes in. We have some of the features of the camera on the back of the box. Inside of the box, we have a little information about their cloud service. We have their quick starting guide. It also comes with a sticker to place on your window to let people know that you do have some type of security system. Then the power brick. It's a simple micro USB cable. This camera also comes with sensors that you can place on the doors or windows. Here's the second piece to it. And then we have the camera. So this camera, you can move around. It has a rechargeable battery built in. So if you wanted to move it for whatever reason, you can take it off the dock and place it somewhere. But this is the dock. The camera actually feels pretty nice. Doesn't feel like just cheap plastic. It is pretty heavy. We have an actual lens here, sensor, probably microphone there. I'm not sure what that is. And then we got speakers on the side. But that's pretty much it on the camera. Let me see what that is. Oh, that's the motion sensor here on the bottom. Status light and mic are going to be here. The light sensor is here. And the night vision, the infrared LEDs are around the camera. But that's pretty much it. It's just a quick unboxing of the Zmodo Snap PT.